This is Melanie Daniel from Stafford County Public Schools in Stafford, Virginia. SCUTA is the magic wand that every leader or administrator supporting school counselors and counseling programs has searched for since the creation of standards and goals in the field. When used with fidelity, it provides all of the tools, resources, and supports that a first-year counselor or the most experienced counselor could ever hope to have at their disposal. It allows counselors to share and intentionally monitor services and progress with their counseling programs. It helps counselors make data-driven decisions and recommendations for students and programs, and it provides the answers to questions about program services and students' well-being posed by leaders at every level. The value of SCUTA was definitely illuminated for district administrators, schools, and counselors during the pandemic and the urgent need for virtual counseling services and programs. The data available to me as a leader from SCUTA has helped support counselors, programs, and make budgetary recommendations with confidence. SCUTA has definitely been a great tool and resource for our counselors and leaders at every level.